today I want to tell you how to make a chiffon cake. Enjoy the video. The ingredient is ultra milk, 6 egg, flour, sugar, oil, salt, and pandan plaster. Put the egg whites then the mixer until it foams. Then turn off the mixer and add sugar. Mixer again, then repeat the previous method.
I'm swimming in everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head. Listen the way you touch me. I don't know much about love, but I keep on checking my phone to see when you're home or when you want me to pull up. But one and the same, you got me caught in the days. I love it when you say my name real slow. All my love is yours. I'm swimming in it, said I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head. I'm swimming in everything. Said I'm thinking about jumping in it. Said I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head, inside my head. Every time you move, you're looking like you're dancing. I think that you could have it. Everything you do, I wanna do it with you. Don't ever wanna miss you. I'm swimming in everything. Said I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head. I'm swimming in everything.
After the egg white rice, continue to beat the yolk. Mix egg yolk with pandan plaster, flour, milk, sugar, oil, and salt. Then mix the egg yolks into the egg whites. Stir until evenly mixed. Pour the dough into the cake mold.
I just hope you're lying next to somebody who knows how to love you like me. Must be a good reason.
Grate the cheese and sprinkle on the top of the cookie dough.
I'm just too afraid that I'll be wrong.
Put the cake dough into the oven and then set the temperature. Once cooked, remove the cake and the cake is ready to be served.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't love anymore. What was all of it for? We don't talk anymore like we used to do. Doesn't matter.